Find or read reviews that people are talking about Defabee Weed Torch with push-button igniter. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful and efficient weed elimination. Introducing the Defabee Weed Torch, a high BTU propane burner designed specifically for fast, effective weed control. Say goodbye to unwanted weeds in your garden, driveway, or patio. Durable stainless steel and ergonomic design. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel for long-lasting durability and resistance to heat and corrosion. The comfortable, ergonomic handle ensures easy, controlled handling even during extended use. One-click ignition and precise flame control. Features a push-button piezo igniter for instant, hassle-free starts every time. The adjustable flame control valve allows you to precisely tailor the heat intensity for any task, from delicate weeding to heavy-duty burning. Versatile all-season outdoor tool. More than just a weeder. This torch is ideal for multiple tasks, melting ice and snow from walkways, softening asphalt for repairs, roofing applications, and general outdoor thawing or cleanup. Easy to use for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a first-time user, the Defabee Weed Torch is designed for straightforward operation. It connects easily to a standard propane tank not included, and is ready to use right out of the box. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.